Hey everybody, it is spring here in Arizona. Finally, we made it. I'm so proud of us. Now, we might have a few other little dips in the temperature, but if you haven't noticed, it's warming up out there. I already got to get out on my paddleboard once this year, and I am so excited about enjoying our spring weather. Now, with spring comes the normal spring cleaning. So I have got a quick list of 5 spring cleaning hacks that I thought might be helpful to you. All right, so let's not put it off anymore. Let's open up the windows, open up the doors, put on some jams, and get to cleaning our house. All right, here are my 5 hacks for spring cleaning. Number 1, I want you to put together a plan before you pick up a dust rag. Don't just dive headfirst into it. Let's put together a plan. What projects do you need to tackle? Start making a list. Who will be taking part in said projects? Maybe even go room to room to see what needs to be cleaned, what supplies you need. Once you've got all that figured out, who will be cleaning it, what projects you're going to do, go do some shopping. Get the things that you need. If you need organizers, go get the organizers. If you need cleaning products, go get the cleaning products, all that kind of stuff. So have everything ready to go and organized so that you're ready to have this project and get it done. All right. I'm telling you guys, jams. That's my secret sauce, the jams. All right. Number 2 hack, remove clutter. Spring cleaning is obviously the perfect time to get your house organized. So it's also easier to keep it clean throughout the year when you get rid of stuff. So go into your drawers, go into your closets, throw out old makeup, clothes that don't fit, go ahead and donate them. Get rid of stuff that is out of date, out of style. If you've had it since high school, I may or may not have a couple of those things in my closet. Throw it out, you guys. Things like spices, they can go bad. If you haven't used them, they go bad. Medications, they go bad. All those kind of things. Anything that has expired, get rid of it. All right. So remove the clutter from your world. It will make it easier to keep things clean in the future. Number 3, when you go shopping, you need to buy yourself a box of baking soda. Baking soda is your friend. All right, baking soda seriously is the most amazing thing. There's so much that it can do, and it is super cheap. So obviously, you can put it in your refrigerator to get rid of odors. You can put it in other rooms, just in a bowl, to like make the offending odors there go away. Somehow baking soda absorbs odors and makes it smell better. So really, anywhere in your house that sort of has a smell, try out the baking soda, see if it'll get rid of it. This can also be a great thing in your car as well. Okay, another thing that you can do with baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of warm water, soak your hair brushes in it to clean off all the gunk. That's just gross, but you can do it. Another thing that you can do is clean your neglected microwave with baking soda, make paste and have that work. You can just put some baking soda in a bowl with water, put it in the microwave, turn it on for 5 minutes, and then wipe it down. It'll make it so much easier to get all the gunk off. So try that little trick out for size. All right, my number 4 hack for spring cleaning, top to bottom. I don't know about you, but sometimes we forget that the tops of our houses get dirty too. So dust and vacuum your air vents. Same thing for your ceiling fans, and wipe them down because those get nasty, you guys. All right, while you're in there, change your air filters. Those should be done monthly, but if you've been neglecting, now's the time to do that as well. And I want you to work your way down to the blinds, the walls, the baseboards, the floors, all those areas where dust settles, okay? And we forget to clean. They're just not the things that we do every single time that we clean. Number 5. This is just because I love you. Be realistic. You guys, you're a human being. All right, it's okay that you didn't get all 10 of your chores done in one afternoon. It's okay to break this process up into days rather than hours. Give yourself a break. Maybe take 2 weekends instead of 1. Spring cleaning can get really overwhelming. So don't let this stress you out. And I'm telling you, my secret, turn on some good music that you like to sing and dance to and get to cleaning. It makes everything more fun in life. All right, you guys, if you need a special like playlist of my favorite cleaning gems, you let me know. I'll be happy to send you some titles. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day and stay safe, stay healthy out there and get cleaning. Bye.